Hi everyone. Today's story is about introducing yourself and your friends. This is an important skill when learning English. Let's meet Sarah, Tom, and their new friends. Sarah and Tom are siblings. Sarah is 20 years old and Tom is 18. They just moved to a new city because Sarah is starting college and Tom wants to explore new opportunities. They feel excited but also a little nervous. They don't know anyone in the city yet. One sunny afternoon, Sarah and Tom decide to visit a local park. Sarah loves reading books, so she brings her favorite novel, Pride and Prejudice. Tom enjoys playing soccer, so he carries a soccer ball. At the park, Sarah sits on a bench and starts reading her book. A young woman about her age notices the book and smiles. Hi, are you reading Pride and Prejudice? She asks. Yes, it's my favorite book, Sarah replies. Mine too, the woman says. I'm Emily, by the way. Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm Sarah, she says with a big smile. They talk about their favorite books, authors, and why they love reading. Soon, they discover they both like fantasy novels and decide to visit the library together next week. Meanwhile, Tom is kicking his soccer ball near the playground. He accidentally kicks it too hard, and it rolls toward a group of boys playing basketball. Hey, is this your ball? One of the boys asks, picking it up. Yes, thanks, Tom says. Do you want to play soccer? Sure, says the boy. I'm Mike, and this is my brother David. I'm Tom. Let's play, Tom replies. They start a friendly game of soccer. While playing, Tom learns that Mike and David live in the same neighborhood as Sarah and him. Mike is in high school, and David works at a nearby cafe. They invite Tom to join their weekend soccer games. When the day ends, Sarah and Tom walk home together. How was your day? Sarah asks. Great. I met Mike and David. We played soccer, and they invited me to join their team. Tom says, That's awesome. I meet Emily. She loves books, and we're going to the library next week. Sarah says, they both feel happy. Moving to a new city isn't so scary anymore when you have new friends. Thank you for listening to Sarah and Tom's story. Now it's your turn to practice introducing yourself and talking about your hobbies and friends. See you next time.